You'll have to go to self-service. So in your Launchpad, go to self-service. Remember that's just your normal lunch number and your standard password that you log onto your computer with to download PhET. If you're having trouble with that, ask almost anyone around you because most of you should have it by now. Get out of that, it's not even opening here at home. Alright, to open PhET, go to your Spotlight up in the top right here and type in PhET, P-H-E-T. Remember, it's a folder in your applications window, not a program. So then you'll want to click on that folder, PhET, and inside we have many other folders. You have to click on the one called Sims. So double click that folder, you'll see all of these different simulations that you can click on, and we're still using the same one from yesterday. It was called Forces in One Dimension, Forces 1D. Open that up, and we have all our different Java little apps. It has to be this one called Forces 1D all.jar. It's the only one that's going to run for you. Double click that. And there we have it. Okay, remember we want to get rid of this free body diagram up here at the top. So exit out of that. If you look at your lab, you're starting with number 17 today. It says make sure all the graph windows are closed, turn on friction, and click on the Restore Defaults button at the bottom of your right side window. Okay, so friction should be on already because we just opened PhET. Make sure it is. We still want our barriers like we had yesterday, and we're going to be using the textbook again. If you click on More Controls, you can scroll all the way down on this little right panel over here, and the Restore to Default button is at the very bottom. That's what they're talking about. Now, since we just opened PhET, it probably already is on default, but just to make sure, we can go ahead and click that button as well. The other part it said is to make sure that your textbook, you change its mass to 2.5 kilograms. So on that right side panel where it says mass, we need to make sure that that's at 2.5. So double click so you can type in that little window, change that to 2.5. Now you should be good to go. Start with that first question, number 17. Apply a force of 1 Newton and click Run. What happens? That's up for you guys. Remember your applied force is here. Type in just 1 and click Go. Just follow the instructions from there.